Morning students, I am back with another video. Today's topic would be learning techniques, or we can call reading skills. To understand this, we should find out couple of things, answers to following questions. 1. Who is learner? 2. What is that which is called learning? 3. How to learn? And 4. When? What time to learn? These 4 questions, if we answer ourselves, we will be able to understand as to how to study really well, or how we can learn things faster, quickly and easily. So to watch this video of mine, please like this video. If you are interested in this, if you like certain things, watch the video, like the video, and also subscribe the video. It will help me to come for you with another video which would be interesting to you. So let us answer the first question, which is who is learner? Now see, we go to school. We as a student, we go to school, teachers teach, parents pay the fees and things like that. So it is whose duty to learn? Is it teacher's duty, parents' duty, or school management's duty, or book publisher's duty to learn? So let us try to understand that we are the learner. Who is learner? The guy who goes to school, or who goes to the tutor, or who goes to coaching institute is the guy who is supposed to learn the things. So let us be very clear about this aspect first, that it is me who has to learn. Second, which is very important, what is learning? What is that we call it, that this is learning? Now learning, is it reading and writing? Is it building skills? Or it is learning how to learn? Learning how to learn. ऐसा पढ़ना, ऐसा चीज को याद करना कि कैसे हम आगे पढ़ सकते हैं. टीचर्स हैं, पेरेंट्स हैं, ट्यूशन सेंटर हैं, कोचिंग सेंटर हैं, सभी लोग हैं. लेकिन हम लोगों को इन लोगों की सहायता से क्या क्या करना है? वी हैव टू बिल्ड reading writing skills, we have to build knowledge, we have to bring in lot of knowledge, we have to improve our reading, writing, listening and also speaking. All these things would come under what is learning. If we can build on all these 4-5 things, that is learning. Now how to learn? How to learn is very important thing. To learn, you have to first do certain things, that daily pre-class learning you have to do. Before going, see, previous days, during our days, lesson plans were hardly there. But today, you have lesson plans. So you know tomorrow what would be taught, day after what would be taught to you. So just browse through that topic which is being taught tomorrow. That is one, that is pre-class. Once you do pre-class, the second thing which is during class, the pre-class reading would help you to concentrate, to focus during class. When teacher is actually teaching, you would be able to focus on that. And the third thing which is very important is, after class is over, don't do this. Go back home and browse that chapter again, browse your notes, fare those notes if you have written in rough mode. Quickly, then you should write those notes properly, so which can be understood by you. That is 3 parts: pre-class, during class and post-class. The only thing which is left, which is very important, is keep revising those things whenever you have tests and exams. So this is called how to learn. It will help you how to learn everything which is being taught. Now the last 4th thing is when to learn. Whether grasping is good in the morning, can I get up at 5 o'clock? Whether I will do at evening after coming back from school, will I not be tired that time? Shall I do it after 9 o'clock after having dinner? Will that timing would be suitable for me? Every student can select the time based on her attitude, aptitude and willingness. Whenever you are willing that I would sit and study now, that is the best time. It is not like Satyanarayana Katha or any other religious function that it can be done only on that day or this day. Pujari would tell, or Padri would tell, or somebody else would tell. You decide now don't say, the only thing which you should exclude or which you should avoid is tomorrow. Today is Saturday, now let me have nice lunch. Tomorrow I will study. Sunday, breakfast, you have full breakfast. Then you say afternoon and evening and friends and this and that. So we say don't procrastinate. That is, don't delay. In Hindi they say kaal kare so aaj kar, aaj kare so ab. So whatever you are supposed to do it now. That is the learning techniques. There is no big thing required. There is no rocket science. You have to understand that you are a learner. You have to understand that you should do pre-class, during class and post-class. You should understand, you should revise, and you should also strictly follow the timing. You should have a calendar that this time I will get up, this time I will sleep, this is the morning time I will study, this is the evening time I will study. That kind, if you do, you manipulate, you manage your timing, everything would fall in place. Thank you so much. Please like my video and also subscribe. I'll come back with you with another topic very soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.